Two men in custody after a man was pistol whipped during an eviction from a home. This is South Nashville. For that, Josh has moved over to the alert desk with those details.
Yeah, Neil. So Metro Police say the victim had a serious injury to the back of his head from being pistol whipped. He identified his two attackers as men he only knew as Mike and Gotti. A warrant states Mike is Michael Miller and Gotti is Courtney Ricks. Officers say the two showed up at a home on Shasta Drive to evict the victim at the owner's request. That's over in South Nashville. The victim did refuse to leave, and that's when a warrant states Miller grabbed a gun and pistol whipped the victim in the back of the head. Again, serious injuries. They are rushed over to a hospital. Both men are now charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Once we get their booking photos and some more information, we'll bring that to you on air and on our website. That's WKRN.com.